Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
We start by removing loose dirt from the security screen with a soft brush. Work outside and lay the screen flat on a drop towel or tarp. Vacuum both sides using a brush attachment to remove dust and cobwebs. If the screen is greasy, mix 1/4 cup vinegar with 1 tablespoon dish soap. Spray the mixture lightly and let it sit for 3 minutes before rinsing. Rinse with a gentle stream from a hose or a 16-ounce spray bottle. After removing the screens, clean the window frame and panes before reinstalling them. Wipe frames with a microfiber cloth and a solution of 1 quart warm water and 1 tablespoon dish soap. Use a soft brush to loosen dirt from corners and a 3/5-inch scraper for paint spots. Clean glass with a squeegee and 10-inch blade, wiping downward in overlapping strokes. Dry frames and edges with a clean towel to prevent water from seeping. Reinstall the security screens by aligning the top lip first and then snapping the bottom into place. Check for proper compression and use replacement clips or 1/4-inch foam to stop rattling. Test the window operation to confirm smooth sliding and that weather stripping contacts evenly. For seasonal maintenance, remove screens twice a year and wash with the vinegar mix. Wear gloves and eye protection when using scrapers or compressed air to avoid injury. Store screens flat or upright with padding to prevent warping and damage over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.